Elsa, do you want to put 5 frogs up?
Yes, here they come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you. 5 frogs?
5 speckled frogs.
Do you know the 5 speckled frogs song? Hey, we're going to sing it. Can you hold up 5 frogs? Okay, here we go.
See 5 frogs. Good job.
5 little speckled frogs sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Glub, glub.
One jumped into the pool
Where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 4 green speckled frogs sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Glub, glub. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Hey, 3 now.
Okay.
3 green speckled frogs sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Glub, glub.
One jumped into the pool
Where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Hey, 2 green speckled frogs sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Glub, glub. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. Glub, glub. 1 green speckled frog sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Glub, glub. 1 jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs.
All gone. They're all in the water. That was fun.
They're having fun in the water though,
Yeah.
I bet.
Thanks, Anna.
Thanks for singing with us today.
Come again.